Fun, and today we are making another Roblox video, and I'm kind of sick, so okay, let's hop into the video, guys. I just bought the car. Mommy, it's okay. You can just turn on the voice. Sorry, guys. If you guys cannot hear me, try to hear me. And okay, guys, what decoration should I make? This is what you guys comment down below. I'm about to save some money. I cannot buy the Galaxy, guys. Sorry. I'm trying to. Oh, I forgot to do this glitch. Guys, is it dark? For me, it's so dark. Because, okay, guys, let's try over here. I watched this on Lucas' video. Wait, sorry, guys. I should not wear my face cam. Okay, I shouldn't wear my face cam because it's so laggy and my hands keep touching there. So let's try to do this. Is there a keycard? Let's find a keycard easy. Do they have a freaking keycard? I want to see first. Guys, what's my leg blue? This is so weird. One of my leg 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1, that freaking man. Okay, guys, I just saw a keycard lying on the ground. Okay, let's go. Let's freaking go. I just have a motorbike. Sorry, guys, if last time you cannot see because I am trying, because I must to save a lot. I have a lot of time to do. After that, I do my homework, and then I just have a Lamborghini, and yeah, guys, that's what I pretty do. Let's take a flashlight just in case you are darker. Okay, guys, I'll see you when sorry, guys, about that burp. Cause I will see you when I have. No, man, no. I want to share with you guys. Oh my God, this helicopter takes a long time to do, guys. Guys, you don't know how. Okay, let's freaking go, guys. Okay, guys. Well, that was decent. I got to say that was decent. Am I recording? Okay. I'm recording. Good. Okay. Choo 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 choo. It's okay. Choo 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 choo. It's so loud. I cannot hear. Guys, sorry about this. But you guys can hear me, right? Guys, look at this. Okay, guys. Me and my friend Juno and Mika. Mika don't have quite money, and I can try to give him a little bit money. Guys, this is a brand new handphone. What handphone is this called? Oppo RS. Oppo R11, yeah. That is the new one. So you guys can see the texture. And okay, guys, this is not clickbait. Try to see. Okay. Well, that is decent. Okay, guys. Look how freaking smooth it is, guys. Tom, pom, pom, da 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 da. Now I have 2 cars. I have the Lamborghini and the motorbike because, guys, I just decorate. Last time I have the pink window. I'll see you when I'm at the garage. By the way, let's drop some stuff first. Guys, can I fit this inside the freaking here? Oh my gosh, that will be so. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. Guys, it's working. Okay guys, look at this. Put. We have to do the glitch We have to do the glitch. I'm trying my best, guys. Okay, here. Dude, let's drop some stuff first. Okay, guys. I want to get with my bike. My motorbike. Oh my gosh. Why am I keep going to the passenger seat? Okay guys, let's just rob the freaking thing. Just trying to in out that. Okay, getting some money. I'm trying to take my motorbike back. Dude, come on. Dude, I found this glitch. Come on. Oh my gosh. The bike just... Oh my gosh, Guys, are you serious? Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. I thought it was working. Okay. Hell no. God, it's not freaking working. I'm so scared. If I will see you when I ready rob this thing. I have lost. Okay guys, by the way, I just robbed that. Sorry guys if you cannot see it. Whoa, guys, that was freaking not long, small. Okay, now we can go. Team Science, go. Okay, first we have to go to the garage. This is not a long video, but pretty good video, right guys? Comment down below, is this a good video or no? Guys, I can have a car show with my friend Mika and Juno, but you guys will see them, but you guys cannot hear very well. So by the way, we will park it here. Okay guys, so okay guys, let me try to put at the garage. This is what my first body color, window color, it is pink. This is what when I first do this and I have the halo. Guys, I should buy this paint. It's called police, and I should put yellow. No man, no, it's not cool. Maybe black. No, maybe cyan or dude. I don't know what colors do I pick. I think bro, they look heat, but I think I'll do this, and this one I should put. Wait, not body color. Come on, dude, what am I doing? Wait, which color window? It should be green. Oh, this is called the green police. Yeah. Look, okay. Oh my gosh, look guys. Money. I'll save up for that. I should keep it 10,000. Malik guys. Well, let me go get my Lamborghini to end up this video for you guys. This is a big video, aka a small. Guys, this is open, but guys, thank you guys for watching, and say diamond, and buy a Lamborghini. It's okay if you guys don't have any money. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Tommy. Okay, why did I almost leave?